Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now by locking suhoor and iftar times into your phone and planning one nap daily. Reduce caffeine over 2 to 3 days so withdrawal won't wreck sleep. Once done, schedule a 20 to 90-minute nap after iftar or mid-afternoon to bridge wakefulness. This resurfaces energy without deep sleep inertia. Make sure ambient light, temperature, and a 20-30-minute wind down before bed are ready so your body can switch faster. You now implement staggered sleep shifts. Move bedtime 60 to 90 minutes earlier every 2 nights, which nudges circadian rhythm without shock. After iftar, get 20-30 minutes of bright light to delay melatonin and stay awake for evening activities, then taper light exposure toward bedtime. Once you've shifted, cut screens or switch to dim red light for 60 minutes pre-sleep to preserve melatonin. This combination changes timing while maintaining sleep quality, so you function through fasting hours. You finish by locking a consistent wake time tied to suhoor. Fixed wakes anchor circadian phase and make night sleep predictable. Eat protein and complex carbs at suhoor to prevent glucose dips that wake you. Hydrate smartly and avoid heavy late meals. Once consolidated, keep routine steady for at least 7 days. If you feel persistent grogginess, add one 20-minute recovery nap earlier in the day and reevaluate caffeine timing. This troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.